What's the fun?
Hi, I'm back. And we're having another movie. And I went to Worlds of Fun and Oceans of Fun. Which Oceans of Fun wasn't that fun because I didn't get to play there that much. And for our movie, it's going to be called Black Skies or Red Skies, whichever one works. But I'm going to read you these notes. The first one is Team Killers. That's my team. My team members are Cohen, Michelle, Mazzy, Richie, and Jesse. And then there is Bodie, and then there's Bodie's team, Death Force. You have Bodie, William, Oscar, Kyron, and Miles. And then there is something else that I can't read. There is now characters. Okay, I can't read the characters. You'll see it in the movie. And then on the back, it's just random stuff, more characters. Here's mine. It says Oscar versus Mazzy, Bodie versus Cohen, William versus Michelle, Ricky versus Kyron, and Miles versus Jesse. See? And then on the back it says a big bag of ammo, guns, armor, bases, binoculars, flags, walkie-talkies, and grenades, which will be water balloons. And, well, it's raining outside. If you will be able to see, all you have to do is look at the ground. You can see the pitter-patter where she washes. Okay, now, and Elvie right now is watching Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. You can't really see it. I'm gonna put some. See? And that's what the front yard looks like. It's really scary out there.
Greetings. I hereby declare that it is time to vote.
Please go into this voting booth and choose swings or slide.
Why? Okay, there's Elvie. Say hi, Elvie! Hi! There's her tippet. You can take one. Take it. Take it. Ah! Okay, now I'm going to take you to where I am sleeping tonight, which is upstairs, finally during the summer. I'm sleeping in here. So much fun. We got a TV in here. Can't really see it. A VCR. I already got some stuff in here. Pee-wee Herman. I got to meet Pee-wee. Here's my room. Not kind of clean. There's Bodie's and there's the bathroom. Okay. And, hey, look at my mom's artwork. It's beautiful, isn't it? I already know it's beautiful. There's Daddy spying on me! He's a spy! A stalker! My daddy's a stalker! Well, that's all for today. I'll see you again real soon. Bye!